Some movies will give you nightmares even in days. Hello everyone, you're watching Screensick and today we'll be counting down our top 10 picks for the most scariest movies ever. So let's dive into it.
And all I feel is blue.
The Blair Witch Project. In October 1999, three student filmmakers, Heather, Mike and Josh, set out to produce a documentary about the fabled Blair Witch. In search of this local legend, they traveled to a forest in Maryland, but they never returned and are allegedly reported missing by their parents. Upon the desperate search for the missing students, about 1 year later, filming equipment and a camera was retrieved from the forest of Maryland. Upon playing the footage inside it, the people come across to know that the children were killed mysteriously, what they first thought to be a cult, but later found out that something far more sinister and supernatural force was behind it. The movie is especially unique and terrifying for the way of its representation in the screen, in the form of a found footage that will give you the experience of the person who was recording that footage. The same technique was used in making the horror films Paranormal Activity and Cloverfield. The Ring. Two teenagers, Katie and Becca, discuss the legend of a cursed videotape to which Katie claims that she had watched it. Minutes later, Katie is killed mysteriously and Becca is institutionalized after seeing all this. Katie's aunt, Rachel, after hearing this, tries to investigate Katie's death, where she also comes across the same videotape that is cursed, as whoever watches the tape dies in 7 days. Upon watching the tape, unaware of the curse, she gets a phone call saying that she has 7 days before she dies. Rachel rushes to find the truth behind the elements of the video before the supernatural force kills her too. Insidious. A couple, Josh and Renee Lambert, move into a new house with their family for a new start. One night, their son Dalton is frightened by something in the attic and falls into coma the next day. After 3 months of treatment, there was no result. Soon, strange and paranormal occurrences start to rise in their home. Terrified by this, Josh's mom calls Elise, a psychic and paranormal investigator. She explains that Dalton is not in coma. His spirit is lodged in an astral plane called the Further, that is a place inhabited by tortured souls. And without his mental presence in his body, demonic spirits are using it to try and enter the physical world. So, to save his son, Josh decides to go into a trance-like state so that he can bring his son back from the Further. Poltergeist. The lives of a happy family soon turns into hell when one day their daughter Carol wakes up in the middle of the night and starts talking to the television set, which is displaying static following a sign-off. Suddenly, a ghostly white hand emerges from the television, after which there is a violent earthquake. As the shaking subsides, Carol announces, "They are here." Following the next day, bizarre occurrences start happening in the home that terrifies the entire family. The tension rises when they find out that a host of supernatural and evil spirits are trying to possess their daughter to enter the world. It. On a rainy day, a 6-year-old boy, Georgie, sails a paper boat along the streets, but it falls down a drain. When he reaches to take his boat, a clown who calls himself Pennywise bites off his arm and drags him down the drain. The following summer, Georgie's older brother Bill and his friends tries to investigate the mysterious disappearance of his brother, hoping that he might still be alive. Upon searching, they find out that their town has been plagued by unexplained tragedies and child disappearance for centuries, caused by a demonic shape-shifting clown, Pennywise, that feeds off of the people's fear and resurfaces in every 27-year cycle. Hereditary. This bone-chilling and terrifying movie is unique for its concept and gives horror a new face. After an old woman, Ellen, passes away, her daughter and her grandchildren begin to unravel their family's disturbing and dark secrets about their ancestry. Their normal life rapidly turns into chaos as their 13-year-old daughter, Charlie, dies in a car accident and her mother starts sleepwalking at night trying to kill her son. As she desperately tries to contact with the spirit of her dead daughter, she unknowingly opens the gate to something more sinister that has been in her family heritage. The movie is seriously confusing and the ending will leave you speechless. This is what modern day horror might look like. The Exorcist. In Georgetown, an actress, Chris McNeil, lives with her 12-year-old daughter Reagan. After playing with an Ouija board and contacting a supposedly imaginary friend whom she calls Captain Howdy, Reagan begins acting strangely, using obscene languages and exhibiting abnormal strength. One day when Reagan's babysitter dies mysteriously, Chris consults a number of physicians, but they find nothing. After running out of options, Chris consults psychiatrist Father Damien, a priest struggling with his faith on God. After seeing Regan's condition, he gets confirmed that she is possessed. Believing her soul is in danger, he decides to perform an exorcism to save Regan. The Conjuring. This movie is the most popular on the horror genre and is said to be based on true events experienced by paranormal investigators Ed and Lorraine Warren. A family moves into a farmhouse where their dog refuses to enter. Soon after, they start experiencing paranormal occurrences within first few nights, and their dog is found to be dead. As the matter escalates when Christine encounters a malevolent spirit prompting to claim that it wants her family dead, they immediately contact demonologists Ed and Lorraine Warren, who have recently investigated a possessed doll called Annabelle. This doll is probably one of the most terrifying things in this film. The Babadook. After the violent death of her husband in a car accident, Amelia is forced to raise her 6-year-old son Samuel alone. One day, Sam begins displaying erratic behaviors. He becomes insomniac and is preoccupied with an imaginary monster against which he builds weapons to fight. One night, Sam asks his mom to read a book called Mr. Babadook, which describes the titular monster, the Babadook. Amelia is disturbed by the book and its mysterious appearance, while Sam becomes convinced that the Babadook is real. Sam's persistence about the Babadook leads Amelia to often have sleepless nights, as she battles with her son's fear of the monster lurking in the house, but soon discovers a sinister presence all around her. The Shining. This movie is the most famous and classic horror story adapted from the novel written by Stephen King, who also wrote It. The story follows a writer, Jack Terrence, that arrives at the remote Overlook Hotel in the Rocky Mountains with his family. Jack had planned to use the hotel's solitude to write. Manager Stewart warns Jack about the hotel's reputation that a previous caretaker had killed his family and himself, which Jack refuses to believe, and the people of the hotel warns them to stay away from room 237. Jack's son Danny starts getting nightmares and frightening vision, and his curiosity about room 237 overtakes him when he sees the room's door open. Meanwhile, as Jack doesn't get anywhere with his writing, he begins to lose his sanity, which affects his family members. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please do give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.